This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the correct strap and seals. This prevents failures under load. Once done, wrap the strap tightly around the bundle and align the overlap. Make sure the strap sits flat against corners and not twisted, then feed the tail into the tensioner. You should set the tension level based on load weight and strap specs. Tighten slowly while watching the strap bed to ensure even seating. Pause and adjust edge protectors if pressure points appear. Once tensioned, you feed the tail through the selected seal and position it over the joint so the seal covers both strap layers. Then you place the sealer or crimper over the seal. Make sure jaws align squarely. Squeeze steadily, short, firm pumps if manual or a controlled cycle if powered, so the seal deforms and locks the strap. After crimping, release tension slowly to allow the seal to bite, then trim the excess, leaving a short tail for visual confirmation. You finish by carefully releasing any remaining tension in the tool and inspecting the seal for a clean, symmetric crimp. Make sure the strap does not rotate or slip. Give the load a gentle tug to verify security. If you spot a loose or asymmetric seal, cut the strap out and start over. Never try to double crimp a bad seal. As a troubleshooting tip, if seals repeatedly fail, check tool jar alignment, replace worn dies, and confirm strap grade and size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.